I got a messy top bun hack just for you. So the first step with my messy top bun is just to wet my hair a little bit, just so it's easier for me to work with. So I'm just gonna spray, not too much, mainly just where my roots are. Okay, and from there, flip my hair over and just try to gather as much as I can. Right, like that. And then just gonna brush that out a little bit. Make it a little smooth, but not too smooth. And I'll put a scrunchie just to always hold that in place. So, you know, once the foundation of your bun goes down, the whole bun goes down. So from there we have this little high up ponytail. Then I'm gonna take my hand, like one of those donuts that you put in your hair for those buns, and with a scrunchie on the other one, I'm gonna just push down and wrap like that. That one's a little up. And then from there, I just take a couple bobby pins, which I have misplaced, so I won't take it now. And just fix it up a little bit. And voila! A perfect little bun. I'll show you. I'll go all the way around. Like that. Can you see? And it's a little tilted, but you could easily adjust it. Kind of always comes out like a cute little messy bun. But yeah, this is my messy top bun quick hair tip. All my bobby pins have gone missing. Words.